Welcome to Ebas Gallery. The new 2019 Lincoln MKC is poised to attract even more luxury SUV buyers, thanks to its commanding new design, driver-focused technologies like automatic emergency braking and pedestrian collision avoidance, and an effortless ownership experience that builds on Lincoln's exclusive pickup and delivery service. Since its introduction in 2014, Lincoln MKC has introduced more people to the Lincoln brand than any other vehicle, with nearly half of all clients coming from other brands. Women account for more than half of MKC sales and, in turn, are driving growth in this luxury segment, which has increased 29% over the past decade. Our redesigned Lincoln MKC offers style, substance, and technologies that create an effortless ownership experience, said Kumar Galhotra, President, the Lincoln Motor Company. We recognize it takes a lot to attract a buyer from other luxury competitors, but the Lincoln MKC has that kind of appeal. We believe the new MKC will capture even more luxury clients. The 2019 Lincoln MKC exemplifies the refined new face of Lincoln. The signature grille evokes a sense of confidence, and beautifully detailed LED headlamps illuminate the road with crisp lighting designed to minimize eye strain. A new rear design features attractive chrome highlights that enhance the appearance from all angles. LED lighting in the lower front body and tail lamp subtly illuminates to greet clients upon approach, and a luminous Lincoln welcome mat appears beneath both front doors to light the way for driver and passenger. During the day, an available panoramic roof fills the cabin with natural light. Inside, the cabin is quiet, warm, and inviting, replete with plush, soft-to-the-touch materials. Lincoln craftsmanship is apparent in every detail, from the available heated and cooled seats to standard Wi-Fi and USB ports throughout, allowing everyone to stay connected. WK1. For those seeking a more personalized experience, Lincoln Black Label is available for the new MKC. Lincoln Black Label not only provides the best level of materials in custom designer themes, but also offers a host of membership privileges. These include annual vehicle detailing, anytime car washes, and access to a list of select restaurants where noted chefs will provide a curated dining experience.